Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android 10 system PX6 chip special for Mercedes-Benz SLK class 24 to 12 years. Okay, you can check this front UI interface. And it comes with special harness with canvas box. There are two harnesses. Use one of harness is okay. Okay, you can check this canvas decoder box will come with head unit together. Okay, you can check this canvas. Okay. There are two screws fixing DVD in the shippings, so please take out this screw protector before installing. Okay. There are two SD card slots support DVD player and built-in IR microphone. This volume button, home button, mute button, and model. Okay. Okay, this is home interface. You can check the settings. Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit, telephone number and email address. You can contact to us. You can choose the Mercedes-Benz logo by here. Okay, change the and you can edit this color. Any color with adjust is this panel. Okay. All apps are here. It built-in DSP amplifier, APK installer, Bluetooth, easy connect, Google Maps and Play Store, and this Z-Link app for wireless Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay. We already built in the modem for wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay in the head unit on motherboard. Okay. Let me check the settings. You can check chip as PX6 Android 10 system. Okay, let me back the home and let me back storage. You can check 64 GB and it's built-in Wi-Fi, support 4G mobile network, but you need a hotspot. Okay. First, let me introduce Bluetooth. You can back the home lamp press. You can choose apps, Bluetooth. Okay, close. Then click this button. It will open the Bluetooth. You can check. You also can set it in the apps navigating and music. You can install Spotify or other music app. Okay. This device name and PIN number. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone at first. This Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth, and click search button. You can delete. If there hasn't your phone list, you can restart your phone to try it again. Okay, let me restart the phone. It can search the other phone device. Start your phone. Okay, the head unit comes with two USB cable. You can check the two USB cable and connect one of USB. It will play music automatically from USB. Okay, this DSP amplifier. This sub. This EQ. You can adjust the sound. and this is balance. Okay, and you can play a video disable for your safety. You can set it in the settings. Autoplay music, not navigation, driver settings, turn on watch video. Okay, let's try again. Okay, it's real playing. This video 4K support play 4K video. Okay. We check. Okay, all apps are here, and if you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.